Hello, today we'll be going over how to adjust the cable reels on any system in the CoverPools T4 family. There are two cable reels which store the stainless steel cable or rope. You may need to alter the diameter of a cable reel if your cover is uncovering evenly but is crooked when covered. First, fully uncover the pool. Then remove all cable or rope from the reels. Next, determine which reel corresponds to the side that isn't closing completely. The reel farthest from the cover controls the non-motor side. The reel closest to the cover controls the motor side. Once you know which one needs to be adjusted, insert a 1/4 inch hex key into the socket head inside the cable reel. Turn the screw counterclockwise around 3 times to increase the diameter. After adjusting the cable reel, run the cover. If it's still crooked, you'll need to adjust again. And now you know how to adjust the cable reels on your pool cover.